Hello everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing my at-home blowout technique with an easy-to-use blow dryer brush. This is the best blow dryer brush that I've personally ever used. The Homfu hair dryer brush is available on Amazon for under $30, and I'm so excited that Homfu is sponsoring today's video. I begin my blowout routine with damp hair. After shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner, I apply a blowout heat protectant cream from root to tip. I recommend a blow dry protection cream because it smooths hair, enhances shine, tames frizz, and it protects the hair against heat damage. And heat damage with hot tools is a major problem. This 3-in-1 hot air brush is a brilliant combination of blow dryer, hair curler, straightener, and hair volumizer. One of my favorite features of the Homfu brush is the 3 setting modes. This brush also features nylon and tufted bristles and a 360 swivel cord. Before using the blow dry brush, I section off the top half of my hair and secure with an alligator clip. The last hair product that I apply before styling is a volumizing blowout spray. This tool is extremely user-friendly. Simply turn the brush on and brush through the hair. While brushing the tool through your hair, the hot air brush dries, volumizes, and straightens the hair effortlessly. The bottom layer of hair takes the most amount of time. My technique for this section is styling the hair on the high heat setting. This layer is the most wet and it's the most thick. I focus my efforts on drying and straightening the bottom section of hair because this section maintains the length and the weight of the style. Moving on to the middle layer of hair, I follow the previous sectioning steps. Separate the hair. Apply blow dry cream. Apply blowout spray. Use the hair dryer brush to style. The middle layer of the hair is where you'll start to see me use a little more technique. This section of the hair carries a lot of the body and the shape of the hairstyle. As I brush through the hair, I'm going to rotate the brush in and curl the hair towards the face. I curve the brush through the layers and I structure out the style. I like to utilize the top handle of the brush to add some stability while brushing through those thicker layers. Va va voom! Look at that volume! In this section of hair, you're going to start to see a lot of my damaged hair. Unfortunately, I experienced severe breakage from a different blow dryer brush. The blow dryer brush that I was using previously did not have any heat settings and it got way too hot. I'm happy to announce that the tool I'm sharing with you today is effective and safe. Time for the final layer. Blowout spray is not a necessary product to use, but if you enjoy big hair like I do, this is a nice product for a little extra lift. The top layer of hair is typically thinner and more delicate. Make sure you adjust your dryer to the lower setting for this section. Also keep in mind that this hair is more dry and more fragile. This blowout is complete. I love how efficient this tool is for a quick and beautiful style. This look is so classic and so flattering and so easy to achieve. I love using the blow dry brush to shape and volumize extensions. I hold the brush steady and I pull the extensions through the bristles on the lowest setting. This is the final look. I love the efficiency and the effectiveness of a blow dry brush, and the Homfu hair dryer brush is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the description box below for details, links, and discounts. I will see you in my next video.